Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to turn off send read receipts in iMessages on iPhone running iOS version 14.1. So this is my iPhone device. So let's start. So first of all you have to open your settings app. So here is my settings app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened. And also guys, let me show you first that I have iOS version 14.1 installed on this iPhone device. So let me tap on this general and then let me tap on this about, and you can see guys here I have this software version. You can see I have iOS version 14.1 installed on this iPhone 10R. So let me go back. Let me go back again. Okay. So in order to turn off send read receipts in iMessages on iPhone, what you need to do, you have to open your settings app, and after that guys you have to scroll down to messages. So let me go over there. So you can see guys here I have this messages. After that you have to tap on this. I'm tapping on it and you can see it's opened, and make sure guys your iMessage is enabled. And after that guys you have to come to this send read receipts, this option. You can see guys currently I have this option turned on, and also here I have this little message. Let's read that. When this is on, people are notified when you have read their messages. This enables read receipts for all conversations. So in order to turn it off, what you need to do, you have to tap on this toggle next to this send read receipts and move this slider to the left. I'm tapping on it and you can see it's now turned off. After that you can close your settings app. So let me close that. So that's it guys. In this way you can easily turn off send read receipts in iMessages on iPhone running iOS version 14.1. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.